What are Marriott Hotels' corporate codes? Corporate codes price is usually limited to employees. When using corporate codes to check in, you sometimes need relevant corporate employee certificates or the corresponding company email to verify your identity. Because employees of large companies have a large number of trips and meetings every year, they usually directly sign a discount price with the hotel group to reduce travel costs, which is also considered as an employee benefit. On the same day, the same hotel has the same room type, and the agreement price is half cheaper than the bar price. It can also be cancelled flexibly, and some people also get breakfast. There are corporate codes of most companies. Many employees do not know their own firm's corporate code. You can visit my blog through the link in the description to get more code and usage details of Hyatt Hotel. My blog provides hundreds of corporate codes. You can use any one you want. How to use Marriott Hotels corporate codes. Using corporate codes is very simple. Open the Marriott website, enter the destination, select lowest regular rate, select Corp promo code, enter for example the code OXD. Is identification required to use company code? Online I often have read about people concerned by using a corporate rate because they feel the hotel will be asking for identification at check-in in order to confirm eligibility for the discounted corporate rate. In my career I have been enjoying corporate rates at hotel in many different capacities. Sometimes I was an actual employee of the company that negotiated the discounted rate, and therefore I had a business card and other form of identifications. However, most of the time in my career I have been using corporate rates as a consultant, contractor, supplier or customer of the company who was holding the contract with the hotel chain. Therefore, I had no form of identification, and sometimes the details of my relationship with the company who booked the room for me was confidential in nature. In any case, the details are never the business of the receptionist at the hotel. Typically I am asked for a form of corporate identification less than 10% of the times I have a reservation using a corporate rate. When I am actual employee I typically show my business card, but when I am a contractor or supplier I just say so. No further details are needed. Typically my answer to a request of corporate ID to prove my relationship with the company holding the contract with the hotel chain sounds like, sorry, I am a contractor, supplier, customer. Not a single time I was asked any additional question or challenged further. The truth is that the hotel chain itself has no interest in investigating eligibility because their business and profitability is all about occupancy. Their number one goal is fill the property in.